they're not, it's not that they have this well-rounded education, they can just bounce around, but no, they can make a decent living to support a family right now driving a truck. And that's a very respectable, honorable profession. If we get AIs to come in self-driving vehicles, those people are out of work and you can tell them, oh, go do something else. But the reason they're not doing something, the reason they're driving a truck right now is because that's the best paying job. If they go do something else, maybe they got to take a 30% pay cut. So, there's millions of people like that are going to be hurt at least for a generation. Maybe their kids will be richer because of the robots or whatever. But, so you're just kind of glossing over that, pair.